Mugire tigatuske emotwe bono asense moyende yekisemi ase bono Abaorokigwa chimia ibere 52 nechimesana emo nigo bono oba ugose nigo bono barangiribwe gochia ase Ase Chiuniversity imeyense ya Kenya ayankorengana nekiombekeria agie chitendreta mangana ayechisemi imeyense ya Kenya nabo igese batebudenga Abaorokigwa bonsi nigo bacho Ase Chiuniversity no nigo korengana no mwaziri wechisemi Julius Migoso gamba nigo Abaorokigwa chimia isano emo nechimia isano igo batumita marube yogo chia kwelikia abuna abanyagitari korende Chiuniversity nigo chigo chigwanchera gose nigo chigwata mubaga ama chimia isano nemoka ase Abaorokigwa bali achiribu chimia isano emo babete kwa gutuma mabagabo yogo chia goswa chinya isikuru buna abanyagitari.
And gentlemen, a total of 293,869 students have been placed to degree, to diploma level 6, to craft certificate level 5 and arts and certificate level 4 programs across tertiary and higher education institutions. Out of these 293,869, 202,133 applicants have been placed to degree programs. 202,133 applicants have been placed to degree programs. Out of those who qualified were 270,508. 28,246 have been placed to KMTC. 500 applicants have been placed to Diploma in Law, Paralegal Studies offered at the Kenya School of Law. 765 were placed to Kenya Utalii College, and 875 have been placed in secondary TTC programs.